Are you ready to uncover a game-changing weight loss secret that even Viraat Kohli swears by? Stick around as we reveal his favorite vegetarian salad recipe along with 2 other protein-packed salad options that you can't resist. Plus weight loss tips that can help you to shed over minimum 10 pounds in just a month.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Tiyashat California. If you are on a weight loss journey or simply want to build some healthy eating habits without compromising the taste, you are at the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you are excited. Akash, pick one.
This one.
See what it is.
Paneer.
And see what you did not get.
Chicken.
Okay.
Let's dive into our first salad recipe.
Today I'm gonna prepare Viraat Kohli's favorite salad recipe. I'm also gonna show another option for non-vegetarian people. Look at these fresh, gorgeous ingredients.
We are going to use all the colorful vegetables, chickpeas and paneer for the protein option. This recipe is a perfect balance of raw and steamed vegetables, making it easy on digestion. We are starting by chopping the vegetables that need to be steamed. I am chopping the carrots first after peeling them. Now I am chopping the broccolis into small florets. Finally, trimming the ends of the green beans and chopping them into bite-sized pieces.
I am gonna lightly steam these veggies.
For steaming, I am going to add a bit of boiling water to a pan and place a steamer on the top. Starting with broccoli, I am going to cover and steam it for 5 minutes.
Broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamin C and K, also an excellent source of antioxidants.
After steaming, I am going to immediately transfer the broccoli to an ice bath to lock in the vibrant green color. Next, I am going to steam the carrots and green beans for about 4 to 5 minutes. While the vegetables are steaming, let's chop the rest of the ingredients for this salad. Now I am chopping some colorful bell peppers. Always choose a mix of red, yellow and green for a colorful touch. They are high in antioxidants. Do you like your salad more crunchy or soft? I love a combination of both. What about you? Please let me know in the comment section. Next, chopping the onions finely for a bit of sharpness and crunch. Now let's check the steamer. My carrots and beans are perfectly steamed now. By the way, if you don't have a steamer, you can simply boil these vegetables. Just be careful not to overcook them to preserve their nutrients and their crunch. We all know how healthy they are. Carrots are so good for our skin and vision. Green beans are low in calories but high in fiber. They are perfect for weight loss. I am not a big fan of raw paneer and bell peppers. That's why I am going to lightly saute them next. I am using olive oil to saute them in low temperature. Adding salt and pepper for the seasoning. While they are sauteing in the pan, I am going to chop rest of my vegetables. Have you noticed how many different colored vegetables we are using in this salad? This is a great example of an anti-inflammatory salad. Just remember to eat the rainbow, more colorful vegetables in every meal if possible. While chatting with you, I have already finely chopped the tomatoes and now I am chopping the cucumbers. On the other side, my vegetables on the stove are lightly sauteed now. Adding these sauteed veggies and paneer will make this salad not only healthy but also rich in flavor. Now for the final step, let's chop the lettuce. Lettuce is low in calories, high in water content and adds a refreshing crunch to the salad. Some of my viewers requested to use the vegetables available in India. So I hope today's recipe helps. Please let me know how you feel about it. Alright, let's assemble Viraat Kohli's favorite salad. Is there any fan of the Indian cricket team here? Share in comments who is your favorite superhero in cricket. I already added the lettuce and steamed vegetables into my salad mixing bowl. Now I am adding some boiled chickpeas as the rich protein source. Now it's time to add the sauteed paneer and bell peppers. Now adding the crunchy mixture of onion, cucumbers and tomatoes. Adding a simple seasoning here as Viraat Kohli loves salt, pepper and lime juice. Now tossing it so that everything can mix together. And this simple but high protein healthy vegetarian salad recipe is ready in no time. Please make it and share the picture with me. I can't wait to see your creations.
Viraat Kohli's favorite salad recipe is ready. Here is my taster. Try.
Now let's dive directly into the second recipe, a great option for chicken lovers. But my vegetarian friends, don't go anywhere. I will share another quick and simple vegetarian salad recipe after this that you don't want to miss. This recipe is going to be very easy because we are using almost the same ingredients from the previous recipe, but replacing paneer with boiled and shredded chicken. Starting by layering lettuce, then adding the bell peppers, next goes all the steamed veggies, broccoli, carrots and green beans. Now adding the boiled and shredded chicken. I boiled chicken thighs and then shredded them with a fork. Seasoning with some salt. Now adding chopped cucumber, onion and tomatoes for added freshness. Adding some fresh lime juice. Next goes some freshly crushed black pepper. This simple dressing keeps the flavors light and fresh. And just like that, our high-protein chicken salad is ready to serve. It's quick, easy, and perfect for a healthy meal when you are hungry. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments.
Here comes the most exciting part. This is the chicken option and this is the vegetarian option. This is the option what Viraat Kohli likes. So you taste both and let me know which one you like most.
Okay.
Let me taste this one first. Do you need something, salt or pepper?
No.
No. I like this. Let me taste the chicken. I like this one better, maybe because I like paneer. What about you?
I like this.
You like this one? Okay. And have yours.
Thank you.
This salad recipe is very simple and absolutely delicious. Whether you opt for the vegetarian option or the non-vegetarian options, both are packed with flavor and perfect for your weight loss journey. Now I am going to prepare the third salad recipe, which is my personal favorite because it has all the 5 tastes: sweet, savory, spicy, tangy, and little bit bitterness from the beetroot. But wait, I am gonna share some secret weight loss tips with you that will help you to lose minimum 10 pounds per month after my third salad recipe. This is so easy to make and absolutely delicious, and you can eat this salad at any time of your day. Sometimes I eat this salad for my breakfast also. For this recipe we will need chopped cucumbers, onions and tomatoes, boiled chickpeas, unsweetened yogurt, chopped cilantro or coriander leaves, some spices and curry leaves for tempering, grated beetroot, grated carrots, blueberry and pomegranate for sweetness, and some peanuts. Now let's start assembling everything. I'm beginning by making the base with unsweetened yogurt. I'm spreading it little bit. Now adding grated carrot, beetroot, and then boiled chickpeas. Chickpeas provide plant-based protein and high in fiber. Next goes chopped cucumber, onion and tomato. For a touch of spice, I am mixing in a bit of chopped green chili, but it's optional. Adding pomegranate and blueberries for natural sweetness. Sprinkling some roasted peanuts. And garnishing with fresh cilantro. These add a burst of fresh flavor and are great for detoxifying our body. Seasoning the salad with salt and pepper. To make the salad even more flavorful, I am heating a small pan with a little bit of ghee. I already added mustard seeds, cumin seeds, sesame seeds and chopped curry leaves. Let the seeds pop, releasing their aroma, and then I am going to pour this tempering over the salad. Now it's time to combine all the flavors together. The yogurt in the salad is rich in probiotics which promote gut health and provides calcium for strong bones. Beetroot improves the detoxification process while carrots enhance vision and skin health. Peanuts add healthy fats which help absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Blueberries and pomegranates are rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which boost immunity and fight inflammation. Have you tried tempering your salads before? Please let me know in the comment section. Finally, it's ready. It's so irresistible, I couldn't help but taste it immediately, and it's a perfect 10 on 10. I hope you enjoyed these 3 healthy high-protein salad recipes. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy recipes. What we eat is very important, but how and when we eat, that plays a significant role too. First, eat slowly and chew your food. Saliva helps to digest our food. When we first smell our food, saliva production begins. So take a moment, appreciate the aroma and then eat your food. Please learn my recipes and make healthy food delicious. That is the only way to build a healthy eating habit and sustain on that path. Another important factor is timing. Make sure to eat your dinner by 7 if you plan to go to bed by 10 p.m. This gives your body enough time to digest and metabolize the food and then start the repair mechanism. In my upcoming video, I am going to dive deeper into this topic. So stay tuned and wait for my upcoming videos. তোমার চিকেন আমরা নিয়ে নিয়েছি বাবা বাবা নিয়েছে বাবা বাবা তোমার চিকেন কে নিচ্ছে ইডেন